Hey, welcome to Machinery Video. We have a 2012 ATRUMP 3 horsepower variable speed knee mill, and this thing is absolutely loaded to the gills. 3-axis Newall DP 700 DRO, a torque right Maxi power drawbar, 3-axis power feeds all around. It's got the heavy-duty square knee, 2 double locks all the way around, one-shot lubrication. It has stops to be able to set in every direction for the power feeds. And this is just a super nicely appointed mill, and everything works just so. Please check us out at www.wigglesworth.com to see all of our new additions and our featured machines. And as always, have a great day.